Hey, good morning. This is Chris from Bunzi Cloud Tech, and today we are going to discuss about the SonarQube. Basically, SonarQube is a product, is a test through which you can do the quality testing of the code. Okay, so we are going to check how we can install and integrate with the Jenkins. So first, you need to go to the Jenkins Manage plugin and install the SonarQube scanner, and you need to give the details. Name you can give name is equal to any name, URL SonarQube IP, address of that, and 9000. Token, you have to give the token which is highlighted in the yellow in the last screenshot. I'll show you. So this is the one. Okay, once you have done this is the yellow version. This token you need to give in the Jenkins. Okay, so first step is you have to go to AWS cloud and take T2 medium. T2 medium, spin the instance. It should have 2 GB RAM and 2 vCPU, and T2 medium is the minimum criteria. Make sure Java 1.8 is installed. You can do by the install, and also check the version is being highlighted with the sudo update alternative config Java. So once this is done, you can go to the SonarQube org and download the respective file. Here you have to take the community edition. You need to take it. Okay, community edition. Once you have take it, you have to go into the OPT, and using sudo get wget. You have the zip file. You are downloading to the directory. Once you've done that, unzip it and change the permission to EC2 instance for that particular file, and start the SonarQube. .sonar.sh start. It will start the SonarQube and open the browser with the port number 9000 and log in as admin. By default, admin is the your credential. So once this is done, you can see the once you have opened the SonarQube, you can see here overview, provide a token, run analysis on your project. You are developing primarily in Java. What is your build technology? All those things you can explore it. So we will create a project name Sonar 6. Then go to my GitHub directory. I have gone. So this analysis, cube analysis, and edit the code accordingly. I am editing the code and put in Jenkins pipeline as to the pipeline stage I have created as SonarQube analysis. Define Maven home tool name. This one I have given is with the ambient sonar. So build the code and run. After that, go to the log search. Okay, so HTTP with the address. I have opened the SonarQube UI. Okay, so when I run the Jenkins code, you can see the analysis is successful, and it's saying that you will be able to access the updated dashboard once the server has processed submitted analysis report. So more about the report, it will say now integration is successful. This means that integration is taken. So it has took 12.463 seconds. So integration is done. Now we will analyze this for that. How it will do that? So we are generating it to analyze your project overview. We are generating the a token. Okay, analyze, provide a token, analyze high. So it will take the token. Okay, then second step is run analysis on your project. So it will ask Java or Maven. So I am taking here as Maven. So you can take here. Okay. So running the SonarQube versus Maven is straightforward. You just need to run the following command in your project folder. So just you need to copy this and you need to run in the Maven folder. So that's it, guys. So what I would suggest you to go through the SonarQube documentation also in the web internet, and you can find more about this. So so please subscribe to channel and do put your comment and like the video if you like it, and stay tuned so that you can add so that you will be visiting more videos like that, which will be life changing for you if you are starting, if you are a new, you are starting the journey in this DevOps world. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. This is Chris signing off for Bunsi Cloud Tech. Have a nice day. Bye.